This is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and welcome to my channel. And as you can see by the title below, you are tuned in for a bag reveal. For those of you who are new to my channel, I collect handbags. I love things about fashion. I like inspiring people, and I like uplifting others and just bringing people joy. And this is part of my joy, is collecting handbags and just things about fashion. So if you're into that type of thing, go ahead, click like, subscribe. I love to have you as part of the Noble Strength family. So I would be lying if I said that no one ever influences me, because there are a few YouTubers who have influenced me since I've been on this platform. And there is a new channel, brand_brand 1984, that has done some tremendous bag reviews and reveals and unboxings, and this is how I learned of this bag. So the bag that I'm going to reveal to you today is the Coach Nylon Cargo Hobo bag with floral interior. What a mouthful. I had to slow myself down. But the reason why I wanted this bag is because it actually reminded me of a Coach vintage bag that I have been wanting for a long time. It's like a unicorn bag, if you will, but they have them so astronomically priced that I'm just not willing to pay that. I'm going to show you on the split screen. So this is the Coach Pony Express Cashin bag. Now, it's supposedly a rare vintage Coach bag, which is why the prices are so jacked up. But I still think that pricing is just ridiculous. Absolutely uncalled for. They should be much lower. You can get a bag of just as good quality for much less that is newer. So I understand the whole rarity, vintage, you won't find anything like it, that type of thing. But I just think sometimes people just go overboard. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But anyway, this bag reminds me of that bag, and that is why I got it. So let's go ahead and take a look at this beauty. I have already unstuffed it and taken the tags off, just so we could jump right into talking about the aesthetics of the bag. So as you know, I can't really talk about the use of the bag and how it carries because I just got it and I won't be using it anytime soon with the things the way that they are. So we're just talking about the look of the bag. So here it is. Hobo bag has a nice beautiful smile here, a nice thick broad strap with nice buckle detailing. This is like brass hardware. It's very well branded. As you can see on the buckle, it has Coach. It has the Coach tag, as Coach always does, and it even has a place where you can add other little charms to it, which I really like. It has a back exterior pocket with a snap closure, which is really cool. But what I really love are the two front pockets with the turn locks, and there's lots of room. You could put your keys in there, you know, gum, mints, whatever tissue, anything that you may need to get to quickly would fit here. It has a nice open interior with one slip pocket with a snap closure, and I'll show you that in just a minute, but it has this little loop pull. So let's go ahead and take a look. Nice smooth zipper. Let me take out the stuffing. I use some of my clothes to stuff it with, but it has a slip pocket here. As you can see, there's a floral interior, but there's the slip pocket, but just very nice and roomy. I will not be doing a what fits in my bag because I generally only carry a few small items, and that is a little carry-all pouch. I do a card case, I do my check register, and I do a pen, and that's typically it. But this bag will fit without a problem a water bottle. It could fit a small little iPad or a little reading pad or something like that in there. I also like the branding that it has on the side. I like that it's a combination of leather and nylon, which keeps it at a very light weight. So the strap is leather, pocket closures, and the bottom is leather, no feet, because this is a hobo bag and you're pretty much just going to be carrying it on your shoulder. but really cool bag. And now I am going to give you some close-ups of this beautiful bag with my camera, and then I'm going to do some mod shots. I'll give you the measurements and all of that along with it, and then we'll come back and close out. So stick around. Here's what the Coach website had to say about this bag. Carry as much precious cargo as you like with this lightweight, durable nylon hobo bag featuring vibrant rosebud print lining. Finished with utilitarian flat front pockets, its unapologetically practical design means you can easily access your essentials. The zip top style is finished with a wide shoulder strap for comfortable all-day wear. Now here are some product details. Nylon and refined pebbled leather, inside snap pocket, zip top closure, fabric lining, adjustable strap with 11-inch drop, outside turn lock and snap pockets, and the measurements are 14 3/4 inches in length, 11.5 inches in height, and 3 1/4 inches in width. The style number is 3171. My outfit of the day consists of this red crop sweatshirt from Forever 21, and the jeans are from the Goodwill bins. The shoes are Puma Defy sneakers, which are absolutely comfortable, and the jewelry is by Lala So Random. Please check out her channel. By the way, I really love this bag. It fits over the shoulder quite comfortably, and I feel like it fits, underneath the arm very comfortably as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Well, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel for this bag reveal, the Coach Nylon Cargo Hobo bag with floor interior. I tell you, I have to pause and slow myself down or else I'll get tongue-tied trying to say that. But once again, this is the bag. Lots of great features, very lightweight. And the reason why I like this bag, another reason is I have a bag that I carry a lot, and that is this nylon lightweight bag by Bagalini. It's the Helsinki bag, and I love it, but it has silver hardware, and so I wanted another good travel bag that's lightweight but with gold hardware, and this really fits the bill for that. Once you take everything out, it's condensable, so it would pack easily for travel, and like I say, it won't add a lot of weight to your luggage. And that is something to think about when we, get back to our normal lives and maybe start traveling. So that is it. Remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because He truly loves us so much, and so do I. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this bag, and also let me know if you think how I feel that those vintage bags of the Pony Express are overpriced. Let's create some dialogue. I'll see you next time. Bye.